Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss about some of the remedies related to the cough from the Allen's keynote, and we will discuss the keynotes related to the cough. So the first remedy is the capsicum, and the keynotes for the cough are very much important for the point of MCQ and also help you to prescribe the medicine on the basis of the keynotes in daily routine. So the first remedy we will discuss over here is the capsicum. As we all know about that capsicum is made up from the cayenne pepper. So in capsicum there is the explosive cough, and there is also the release of the pungent and the fetid air in case of the capsicum, and there is also the referred pain during the cough in the distal parts like in the uterus, in the knees, in the ears, etc. The pain in the distal parts on the coughing in case of the capsicum. And other symptoms is the, as we know that capsicum is the fatty and the clumsy and dirty kind of persons the capsicums are, and they are also the homesick, and they have the red cheeks and sleeplessness. So this was about the cough related to the capsicum. Next we will discuss about the chelidonium. As we know that chelidonium is a hot patient and he desires for the hot drinks. The conditions are ameliorated by the hot drinks, all kind of the conditions of the chelidonium. And there is this spasmodic cough, and lumps of the mucus fly from the mouth when coughing. This symptom is also common with the Badiaga and the Kali carb too. Next one is the causticum. Causticum is very much important for the cough, and there is the rawness and soreness in the throat, and patient is having expectoration, sticks to the throat and is unable to swallow that, and sputa must be swallowed with the cough, and the sputum is sticks to the throat, which is ameliorated by drinking the cold water in case of the causticum. And here is the aggravation is during the expiration, which is also found in the aconite, and aggravation of cough during the inspiration is found in the spongia. And there is also during the cough there is pain in the hips and remaining after the cough, and the pain remains after the relieving of the cough in the hip areas, and with expectoration chiefly at the night. The symptom that pain remains after the cough is very important and a rare question to be studied in the MCQ books. It is like a rare type of question sometimes asked in the MCQs. Next one is the conium. Conium is very much important in case of the cough during the pregnancy, and there is the cough during the lying down and during pregnancy. Lying down and during pregnancy there are the other two remedies, that is the causticum and the calibum. And there is the spasmodic paroxysmal cough, and there is the dry spot in the larynx. This is also important for the point of MCQ. And there is also the itching in the chest and the throat, which is also found in the iron. And I have also prescribed iron to a patient who was saying that he is feeling the itching sensation in the chest, and he got cured with the iron 30. And the next remedy we will discuss about the Drosera. Drosera is superly important in case of the cough, in case of the whooping cough, and Drosera should not be repeated frequently. And there is the cough develops after the measles or during the measles, and there is the retching and vomiting, barking cough in case of the Drosera. And patient is having violent cough that he is unable to breathe. There is the tickling cough in children, begins as soon as the head touches the pillow. This is the symptom that the cough as soon as the head touches the pillow is found in the Drosera. at night. And the other remedies are the belladonna, hyoscyamus, and the rumex. And cough is aggravated by the warmth, by the drinking, singing, laughing, weeping. And this is a single dose of the Drosera is sufficient of 30 potency to cure the epidemic of the whooping cough. Now next we will discuss about the sanguinaria, severe cough after whooping cough. The cough returns every time the patient takes the cold, and this is in the sanguinaria. And the stramonium is given after the overaction from the repeated doses of the belladonna in case of the whooping cough. So this was the few remedies, and the other one is the hyoscyamus. Hyoscyamus cough is dry, nocturnal at the night time, and aggravates when lying down, relieved when sitting up. This is also found in Drosera, relieved in the sitting up. And at night time after eating, drinking, like similarly like Drosera, eating, drinking, talking is the aggravation in case of the hyoscyamus in the cough, and also the phosphorus, Drosera, and the hyoscyamus. But the cough amelioration by lying down is found in the Mannheim, which is the opposite. And this is very important question for the cough related MCQs. And next remedy is the Sambucus nigra. Sambucus nigra is the cough is the deep, dry, and it comes after the fever paroxysmus, and the cough is suffocating and deep, hollow, with spasm of the chest, and with regular inhalation but sighing exhalations. That there is the sighing expiration is the sign in case of the Sambucus nigra, and patient have to cover up his face to breathe. Next is the Sabadilla, which is sensation of skin is hanging loosely in the throat and must swallow it again and again. This is found in the Sabadilla. And dryness of the skin, dryness of the throat, and the fauces of the throat is found in the Sabadilla. Aconites cough is croup, dry, hoarse, suffocating, and it is ringing and whistling, and it aggravates on expiration like causticum, and on inhalation, as I already told, is the spongia. And the Aconites cough is from the dry, cold west winds or the draught of air. These are the ailments for the Aconite. So these are some of the remedies related to the cough, and the important MCQs lines which are important for the examination point of view. Thank you so much.